How to install V-Mail software? Go to falconmegasolutions.com/vmail and click on Download V-Mail software. A new tab will appear. Click on the Download V-Mail button. This includes all required files in a single zip file. Open the downloaded folder, select and open the README text file, to check the system requirements and installation steps. Install the required files according to given steps. Step number 1. Install Microsoft Visual C++ 2015 Redistributable Update 3 RC. Install the x64.exe, if your computer has an x64 operating system, and install the x86.exe, if your computer has an x86 operating system. To check the system type of your computer, go to Desktop and search System Information. Open the System Information app and look for System Type. This computer has x64 operating system. So, install the x64.exe file. Skip this file if already installed, and continue to Step 2 to install .NET Framework. Install the .NET Framework. Skip this file too if already installed. After completing the first 2 steps, now install the V-Mail exe file. A window will pop up. Click on More Info and check the app name. If it is V-Mail, then click on Run Anyway. A loading image will appear to show Installation in Progress. After successful installation, the login window will appear. The default username is admin, and the password is also admin. Enter the username and password, then click on Login. After logging in, a settings window will appear. There are 2 settings for adding the V-Mail address. If you are connecting V-Mail with internet devices, go to SAT V-Mail settings. Click on the Add Mailbox button and enter the required details. If you connecting V-Mail with FMT terminals, enter the account details in IDP V-Mail settings. Here we are connecting V-Mail with internet devices, so let us add the details in SAT V-Mail settings. Click on the Add Mailbox button and enter the details of SAT V-Mail account, provided by service partner or account manager, or visit the www.falconmegatrack.com to create an email address. Click on the drop-down and select a user to assign to the mailbox. Click on the Create button. Your account has been created and assigned to the user selected. Close the settings window. V-Mail user interface will appear. If you want to connect V-Mail with FMT terminals, then enter the account details in the IDP V-Mail settings by accessing the main settings from the top menu. Similarly, enter the details of the IDP V-Mail account. Select a user to assign to the email address who can send and receive messages using IDP V-Mail. Click on the Save button. Close the settings window. If you need further assistance, please navigate to the main menu and select View Help from the Help option. Here, you can find comprehensive information on installation, configuration, and more. Customization of V-Mail icon on taskbar. Go to the taskbar notification area, and click on Show Hidden Icons. Find the V-Mail icon. Click and drag to the taskbar, near the sound icon. That's all from how to install V-Mail software. Please watch the next videos about how to configure FMT terminals. For further assistance, send an email to support@falconmegasolutions.com. Thanks for watching.